You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Italian painter, better known as simply Michelangelo. That's probably how you would say it, but if you have to say the full name, Michelangelo in Italian, Michelangelo, it's pronounced with CH, but it's CH in Italian is like K, so Michelangelo di Lodovico, yep, easy. Buonarroti, you need to stress on the rotti syllable, so Buonarroti in English. Simoni, easy, right? So the full Italian pronunciation, Michelangelo di Lodovico Buonarroti Simoni. Michelangelo di Lodovico Buonarroti Simoni. In English, the pronunciation that you can use, how to pronounce Michelangelo di Lodovico Buonarroti Simoni. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.